This is a quick review for this small metal garbage can. This one is the black version. It's like a matte black color. It's entirely made of metals. It's got a nice stamped metal edge all the way around the top and the bottom, so it has a nice smooth edge. There's only one seam on one side. You can put it in a corner or back up against the wall. You wouldn't see it so much. It's a nice looking garbage can. They come in a few different colors. There's like a gray, a white, a brown, like a stainless steel looking one, and I think like a pink color as well. Just a nice little garbage can for size and dimensions. It's about 8.5 inches wide by about 5.5 inches front to back. And then the height is a little over 10 inches, like 10.25 inches. It is small and compact. This is a very small garbage can if that's what you're looking for. That has a nice look and feel to it. It's only 2.1 gallons. It'd be great for a bathroom or a small office or, next to a bed. For size, this is a standard size screwdriver. So if I hold it up against there, you can kind of see overall the height, a standard screwdriver going in there would fit. But again, it's just a small garbage can. This is a great looking modern garbage can, but it is small. Overall, it's a really nice quality metal garbage can.